Well, let's move on to another stylish star, celebrity designer Lauren Conrad. She's giving our Brooke Anderson a preview of her new spring line as the LC Lauren Conrad Kohl's collection hits stores this month.
What can we expect from your new spring collection?
We wanted to incorporate a lot of different trends. So one of the big ones was black and white pieces with great pops of color, which I love. We did the green, which is a really important color this year. We also included a lot of neckline details, which are really cute.
Very pretty and feminine.
Yeah.
And your hot pink, which I am modeling.
Yes.
Thank you for
very
letting
nice.
me wear it.
Of course, it looks so cute.
What is one must-have item every gal should have?
I mean, for me, spring is all about a great spring dress. That's kind of the most important thing. And it really depends on what you like. I mean, you can go solid, you can go print, you can do maxi, you can do short. I think it's really a personal preference.
How would you describe your style?
My style, I definitely like girlier things. I think that you know, when you get dressed, you should have fun with it, and I think that's the best part about being a girl. So I like anything with a bow or a flower on it.
Tell me why quality and affordability are so important for you.
I think that they're important to everybody, but I think that, you know, if you're going to work and take your paycheck and go in and buy a piece, you want it to look nice, but you also want it to hold up, and you want it to have, you know, be good quality. So that's always been really important to me.
Lauren, you brought us a sneak peek of your collection.
I did.
So let's see the first look. The black and white with the pop of color.
Yes, the top. I love this top because obviously there's a bow on it. I'll put a bow on anything. And this is just easy. We have it tucked into a short. You can wear it out over, you know, a pair of skinny jeans. And this is an example of a great layering piece for spring.
Business, casual, yet fun.
Yeah.
Okay, time for look number 2.
This is a great daytime look. And this is, again, the pop of color, which is the hot pink, which matches you.
It does. We coordinate.
Collared denim has been in for a while, and this is sort of a new take on it where it's a little bit distressed. And then this top was actually one of my favorite tops we did. It's got the really sweet little collar detail and the crochet.
She's got scalloped flats.
Yeah.
And the accessories on this.
We just layered a couple little bracelets on there. One of them has a heart, and then again some little teeny pearls.
Thanks so much, Lauren, for stopping by. It's a lot of fun. Thank you, ladies. And for more of my interview with Lauren, head over to ET Online and click the Kohl's button.